Welcome to our YouTube channel where we share tips and tricks for using social media platforms. In this video, we will show you how to open recent activity on Facebook using your Android device. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the app icon on your home screen and tap on it to open the app. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can view and edit your profile information. Now tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, tap on Activity Log. This will take you to a page where you can view all your recent activity on Facebook. You will see a list of your Facebook activity on the screen. To open a specific activity, simply tap on it. Once you have selected an activity, you will see options like Manage Post or Manage Comment and Reaction. Tap on the appropriate option to view more details about that activity. And there you have it. You can now easily open and view your recent activity on Facebook using your Android device. We hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using social media platforms. Thank you for watching.